Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna share with you this lovely recipe of toast filled with potatoes. It's very crunchy. Yeah, so we're gonna go straight away to the ingredients. So I have here like one onion. I sliced it like thin slices. I put some olive oil, and I'm gonna add to it fresh garlic and ginger. I'm gonna fry them on oil and olive oil for a few minutes until they're brown. Add in a little bit of salt. So I'm not gonna put exact ingredients. I mean exact the how much you're gonna put, but you're gonna do whatever it feels right to you, and also it depends on the quantity of the potatoes you're gonna use. So I'm gonna be using the spices. Depends what you like. I'm using paprika. As you can see, I'm not measuring or anything. I'm just putting straight. Cumin powder, coriander powder, so I added a little bit of this peri-peri sauce. Is medium chili, medium heat. I love the flavor it gives to. I use it in so many of my cooking. It gives a really nice flavor to things. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water so that doesn't burn. Keep stirring until it's all cooked through. I'm also gonna use a little bit of the chaat masala. You can find this in a lot of Asian shops. This is also gives really nice taste to a lot of dishes that I use. I use it around the kitchen a lot. On my cooking, of course. So I have here, I used the 2 big potatoes. Cook them in water. Boil them in the water until they cook and tender. And then mash them. And last thing I'm gonna add here is the potatoes. To the spices and the onions, and then mix it all together. The heat is off, so now is the I don't have the oven still on. So mix it together until it's all mixed up with the spices. Here I have the toast I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna remove the sides or the crust. You can buy the toast that's already crust away. They sell it on Tesco. So I'm gonna cut the crust away. Here I have the breadcrumbs. I bought this from Sainsbury's. It's a big bag. It's £1 something, I think. Add some salt to it, and I have also 3 eggs that I beat up. So I'm gonna add a little bit of spices as well to the breadcrumbs and the eggs, like paprika, cumin, pepper, onion powder, whatever you like. And here I have the potatoes. I left it a little bit to cool down. So now we have everything ready, so we're gonna just start with the bread. So I take one toast with the roller or rolling pin, and I just press it down really thin. Can you see that? It's like really thin. And then I add a little bit of the mix inside. I put it in the side, and then take a little bit of cold water and dab all the side around the bread, just the sides, so that it can stick together. Yeah, so round everything, and then just turn it over and just press it really hard so it can stick together. As you can see, you have to press it really hard so it can stick together and it doesn't open when you're cooking it. That's it. So I'm going to show you another one here. So press it until really thin and then put the mixture. By the way, you can use anything. You don't have to use the same mixer that I have. The potatoes, you can use chicken, you can use kofta, you can use vegetables, you can use whatever you want. You can be creative. Dap a little bit of cold water on the sides and then turn it over and then press them together. Make sure that it all close together properly so it doesn't open when we're cooking it. So I'm going to continue with my bread until I finish all the potatoes that I have. Then I'm going to take the bread, the toast, make sure that it's all closed, and then I'm going to put it straight on the eggs and then straight away after in the breadcrumbs. That's it. Continue with it. You can put it like that. After you're done, you can put it in the freezer until you want to use it. I cooked it actually on the air fryer. You can deep fry it, you can put it in the oven, you can fry it with a little bit of oil, whatever you want. It's more healthier option is to put it in the oven. I have the air fryer because it's much quicker. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, it's very crunchy. And at the same time, it's not oily at all. That's it. I put it in the air fryer and let it to cook. This air fryer is amazing. It just saves a lot of time and everything I put in it comes out really good. So here, like mid cooking, you can see it's already starting to get crunchy. So I just turn it over. You don't have to, as you can see, the other side is brown as well, but just to make sure that it's gonna be, you know, brown all over. And that's it. And there we have it, very crunchy, delicious. I just put it here with some ketchup. You can put it with any sauce you like. You can dip it with any sauce you like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.